Welcome to the Daily Market Review brought to you by Trade360. Stock markets were quiet overall around the world as a lack of news flow was a welcome respite for those who've been dealing with volatility. The biggest loser for the day was the FTSE 100, losing 48 basis points. However, the DAX, CAC and Nikkei 225 were all within 10 basis points of their opening prices, while at midday in the United States, the S&P 500 was up roughly 0.25%. Currency traders were a little more optimistic, selling the dollar against all of the major currencies that we follow. The euro was up ever so slightly, the British pound gained 0.4%, just as the Aussie dollar gained 0.4%. The Japanese yen was slightly higher against the greenback during the session. In general, it was a rather subtle attempt at returning to the longer-term trends. Commodity traders were a bit positive as well, as the only commodity that we follow that fell was gold, losing 36 basis points. Silver markets were up over 0.5%, while Brent and copper were up over 1.6%. The big winner of the day was platinum, as it gained 2.63% midday and looks likely to continue breaking out based upon the industrial usage in the reflation scenario that the world seems to be going through. That concludes our review of the trading session. See you next time. Please subscribe to our channel for more news. Bye for now.